Hey there, what's up? Welcome to the channel, and in this video we're going to be talking about how to force restart your iPhone SE. So let's begin with the video now.
What's up everyone, welcome back to Serg-Tech. Sergio here. In this channel I do a lot of tech reviews and tutorials, so make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos like this. There's going to be links to everything that I talk about in this video in the description down below, so do check that out, and let's get right on with the video.
So you may want to do this in case your iPhone SE froze and the screen is not working properly. Maybe you're stuck in an app and you're trying to get your phone to restart, but just pressing the plug button is not doing the work for you. So the way to do this is going to be really simple. All you have to do is press volume up, volume down, and then the plug button on the side. So we're going to do that right now. Volume up, down, and hold the plug button. So you're just going to have to wait a couple seconds and your screen is going to turn all black. As you see, it just happened. Now you just wait another couple seconds and then the Apple logo is going to show up and your phone is going to restart automatically. As you can tell, it doesn't take a lot of time. It just takes about a few seconds and your phone restart is going to be completed. So that's how you restart your iPhone SE. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a like, and don't forget to leave a comment down below if it helped you out, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. And as always, I will see you in the next video.